When we started, it was me, my co-founder's not technical. And so it was us looking at YouTube videos on like how to connect cables. Imagine what our like first iteration of this was. It was like us really kind of like playing with cables. And as we progress, I've obviously hired someone that knows hardware today. And for like the first year, we 3D printed all of our devices. Today, we actually no longer 3D print. We have our own PCB boards instead of everything connected with the cables. It's just progressed significantly, both from the hardware itself, but also like the software, the algorithms have gotten so much better. We identify way more things, better accuracy. One of the big challenges we had to solve, which was interesting and a super interesting challenge for me, is most of the coding I had done hadn't dealt with like sensors and hardware. And when we first built our machine learning models, we had like a few machines, like we hadn't really sold much, and like components are expensive. So we had like, a few, like less, around 5. And so we built the code, everything was working great. And so we put in an order to build like 20 because we had clients interested. And the first thing we realized is that those 20 sensors were really different from the ones we had originally bought. And so our models, it wasn't like it went from like, 95 to like 50% accuracy, but it was significantly less accurate. And we were like, oh my God, what are we going to do? And since then, obviously, we figured there's calibration techniques you can apply and everything to be able to use the same models, even though the sensors have variabilities within them. But it's been an entire learning curve, both from the software side and the hardware side, honestly. It's been just wild.